welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my Walmart winter wear haul. Every single item that I will be showing you in this video is under $15. And for the quality and comfort of these items, I think that's a complete steal. I really needed some stuff that was cute and comfortable and did not break the bank. And Walmart really did come through for me. So don't sleep on Walmart. Let me go through these items. For the first item, jeggings. I absolutely love jeggings. They look cute, but they feel great. So as a mom of two, I'm constantly moving, chasing kids around, and I'm cleaning, doing all kind of stuff. And I need something comfortable to wear, but I also want to look cute around the house, you know? And I go to Walmart leggings to accomplish that look. These are a size small, 3-5. I got them in the junior section, but they have them in every section, and they had all types of colors. This color is medium blue, and they were $12.88. $12.88, you guys. I also got another pair. It was probably about a month ago. They're in a light blue color, but I just wanted to show y'all those. Really cute. My second item is a pair of high-waisted skinny jeans or pants. They're not really jean material. They're super soft, super soft. They feel so good. They even advertise it. Look. Super soft. I love these things. These were $14.44. I got them in, like say, black rinse, high-rise skinny, size 3. They had different fits and styles and a bunch of colors. They had mustard color, olive green, a camo print, jean colors. It was all kind. They even had mid-rise fitting pants. So yeah, these were a steal. These I won't be wearing these around the house. More so if I go out on a date or something, or going out with friends, if that ever happens. I don't know, but they're comfortable and cute. Next item, cozy sweater. You guys, this thing feels so good. I'm gonna admit though, when I first saw them, they had red, light blue, like the color of the girl on Frozen, Elsa. They had light blue, camo, a plaid print that was predominantly black with red lines, white, and they had this olive green color, which I normally love, but when I put it on, I looked like the Grinch who stole Christmas, you guys. So I didn't get that one. But I like this one, the red one. It looks kind of festive, you know? And it has a cute little chain right here. This is a size medium. I couldn't decide what size to get. And they were like kind of skimpy on sizes. So I wear a small, but they didn't have a small in the red. They had an extra small, which I actually ended up getting as well, because they were such a good price. What I'm going to do is donate one. During the holiday season, normally there's an angel tree or a Star of Hope, Salvation Army, different types of organizations that are gathering gifts to give to the needy. And I know my church is doing one of them, but I like to give people gifts that I like as well. So whichever size I decide to keep, I'm gonna give the other one as a gift. So this is the extra small, this is the medium. And you guys, this sweater was $10. $10. Actually, the extra small was $9. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's because of the size, or I would say the color, but they're both red, so I don't know. But this is the type of sweater that I will cozy up on the couch and just chill and watch Netflix. Right now I'm watching Friends. they keep me cracking up. Like, I love Friends, you guys. I also got the white color. I wanted something bright. It looks really good on my skin tone. So I got the white one, and this one did have a size small, so it's the best of both worlds, and it's just so comfy and soft. I love it, I love it, I love it. And the inside is, it's not an itchy material or anything, which is what my number one pet peeve. When you have something cute on and then the inside is all itchy, I don't like that. But this inside is super soft. It feels just like a blanket or a baby. I don't know, it just feels really good, you guys. And it has a hood on it. It's just like the red ones. But yeah. The next item, I'm actually wearing it. I got this shirt and it was really cute. I actually got it because it matched the pants that I have on that I will show you. The burgundy. My pants are burgundy colored. And this shirt is in a size small, and it was $9.92. Pardon the tag, my kid got a hold to it, and yeah, enough said. But yeah, I love this shirt. It feels super soft, and look at the back. It has a cute design on the back, like the little X's. But I like this shirt. It feels soft, and it's something I can wear around the house or dress it up and wear it out. The pants that I have, they are the skinny fit jeans. They were $7.78, you guys. They had all types of colors. So if you're gonna get these, go get them now because I'm sure they're gonna leave. They had the jean colors, all types of blues, army print, black, high-waisted, low-waisted. These are actually low-rise, and they were $7.78. I got a size 3. And this is in the junior section, but like I said earlier, they have it in all of the sections, the plus size, women's, and the juniors. They probably even have them for kids. I don't know. Hey guys, I told you I would show you the pants. They're super cute. Burgundy color, they go with my shirt. I love them in their low rise. And they feel really good. They're super soft and comfy. $7.78. The last item that I was going to show you, but the checkout guy did not give me my bag. It was my favorite item out of everything that I got. The reason that I wanted to do this video in the first place was some shoes. There's some athletic shoes and they're olive green. So I was strolling down with my kids in the basket and I look at these shoes. I was like, those are really cute. Those are really cute. But then I put them on. They felt like clouds. They felt so good, you guys. And I looked on the inside. It says they are memory foam. I love memory foam. I love it. They felt like they loved my feet. And they were super lightweight. But the outsoles was white. And then it was like a, kind of like a mock Nike chick. Something like that. I don't know. All I know is that they were comfortable, and the reason I bought them was because they were $9.98. $9.98, you guys. I know you can't see like my full receipt, but I'm just letting you know they were $9.98. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, comment below, and I welcome you to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.